not going to regret this. Am I?
That's a good one.
Okay. It's very vanilla at the moment. I don't really get what the point of this is. Okay. I clicked on myself. So what, am I supposed to scream or something? This video is lame. Why is this appealing? Don't you people get bored if they're seeing the 5th or 6th character do this?
Oh, okay. Now this I don't have that much of a problem with. The only issue is that people are gonna sit there and think it's cute. They're gonna be all like, "Oh, Sonic, look, he's helping you swim. That's so cute." And, no, it's not cute. Fangirls everywhere, I want you to know this isn't cute, okay? I'm learning to survive. This is a necessity. It's not cute.
Hello, Kane.
Ah! Where did that sound come from?
Say I'm a wanted criminal and I hate my job.
I'm a wanted criminal and I hate my job. Wait, no! Wow, Kane would never say that.
Oh! Ah! Oh my god. Are you fucking serious?
I regret it. I regret it.
What? Why are there board spaces? Why is there a dice? What is this? No! Nintendo, I trusted you. How could you deceive us like this? How could you?
Heads, what? Whoa! Is that a laptop?
Ah! There is no God! Fuck my life!
2 hours later.